Forget everything you thought you knew about portable filmmaking. Right now, in my hand, I'm holding something that shouldn't exist. For years, we've been told that if you want professional cinematic 4K footage with highly low stabilization, you need a massive rig, heavy gimbal, and backdeck full of lenses. But today, that lie officially died. Get the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And it's not just an upgrade. A complete hostile takeover of the camera industry. You see, while everyone was busy looking at the latest iPhones and mirrorless cameras, DJI was kindly building a monster. A monster that fits in your jeans pocket and packs a punch that makes the Sony A7S III sway. We're talking about a 1-inch sensor that has been re-engineered from the ground up, a true camera system that defies physics, and an AI brain so smart and literally tracks her so. And here's the thing. There's a secret feature buried deep in the settings of this device. Something DJI didn't even mention in the main keynote, that changes the way we create content forever. If you're a creator, a traveler, or just someone who wants to capture life as it happens, you can't afford to miss what I'm about to reveal. In this video, we aren't just looking at specs. We are looking at a feature, when it pushes a thing to its absolute breaking point. From the neon-soaked streets of Tokyo to the harsh sunlight of the Grand Canyon. By the end of the video, you will know exactly why your smartphone is about to become your secondary camera. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Their design. At first glance, you might think, oh, it looks like Pocket 3. Wrong. The moment you pick it up, you feel it. The build quality has been elevated. Feels denser and more premium like a high-end Swiss watch. But the real magic happens when you flick that screen. The new 2.1-inch OLED display is now 1,500 nits bright. That means even in the blistering midday sun of California, you can see every detail, every shadow, every color with perfect clarity. No more squinting, no more guessing. But wait, look closer at the lens. Do you see that? That is the new dual-lens architecture. For the first time ever in a gimbal camera, DJI has implemented a variable focal length system. We have a 20mm ultra-wide for those epic vlogs and landscape shots, but with a single tap, the mechanical gimbal shifts to a 50mm equivalent. Do you realize what this means? Real optical bokeh. Not that fake, blurry AI portrait mode you get on your phone. This is real glass, moving in real time, creating a depth of field that looks like it belongs on a Netflix set. Now, looks like about the sensor. The 1-inch CMOS is bet. But it's not the one you know. This is the ultra-high dynamic range sensor. We're talking 14.5 stops of dynamic range. To put that in perspective, that's approaching the territory of RED and ARRI cinema cameras. When you're shooting a sunset, the sky isn't just a white blob, and the shadows are just black crushed mess. You see the ripples in the clouds and the texture in the dark trees simultaneously. It's breathtaking. But why am I telling you this? Because most people use these cameras wrong. They buy the tech, and they don't know the secret sauce. Later in this video, I'm going to show you if a D-Log M-Killer grain hack that makes this $600 camera look like a $10,000 production. You ever wondered how those big YouTubers get that